The surface of the global ocean is largely empty, but the space below the waves is a crowded landscape of high-stakes geography. A modern navy functions on a specific requirement. The most critical assets must remain entirely invisible. Submarines operate in total acoustic silence, carrying out intelligence missions and maintaining strategic deterrence without ever revealing their coordinates. Operating from the shadows allows a nation to monitor hostile coastlines and influence global events without the public escalation associated with moving massive surface fleets. This capability relies on a tiered system, a specific architecture of underwater power that divides the ocean into 3 distinct tiers of defense. Because these vessels can operate undetected near any coastline, they serve as the foundational requirement for any broader maritime strategy. Controlling this unseen domain is how a nation secures its interests on the visible geopolitical map. The foundation of this network is the tactical layer. To maintain regional control, a navy requires a fast-moving presence, capable of hunting enemy vessels and monitoring hostile territory in real time. This is the role of the Los Angeles-class fast attack submarine. Introduced to counter Soviet threats, these boats were built specifically for speed and maneuverability to hunt other submarines and escort friendly fleets. As technology advanced, requirements for acoustic stealth led to the Seawolf-class. These vessels were designed to operate in the most contested environments on Earth, tracking targets beneath the expanse of the Arctic ice. The modern evolution of this layer is the Virginia-class. It is a flexible platform designed to transition between deep ocean combat and shallow coastal intelligence missions. This illustration shows a major technical shift in the Virginia-class. It replaces the traditional optical periscope with a photonics mast. This array of digital sensors feeds high-resolution data to screens in the control room, meaning the command center no longer needs to be located directly below the sail. By maintaining a constant, undetected presence in regional waters, this tactical layer neutralizes threats before they can reach a conventional battlefield. While attack boats hunt threats, the Navy also requires a hidden force capable of projecting the massive conventional firepower typically associated with a surface fleet. To fill this gap, 4 Ohio-class submarines were converted from carrying nuclear missiles into guided missile submarines, or SSGNs. These boats now carry up to 154 Tomahawk cruise missiles. This allows a single hidden vessel to launch a massive strike against inland targets without ever being spotted by coastal radar. They are also equipped with specialized external shelters. These dry deck shelters allow the submarine to covertly deploy Navy SEAL teams and their delivery vehicles while remaining submerged. Combining mass firepower with special operations creates a strike force capable of altering the course of a conflict overnight with zero warning for the adversary. The final layer of this architecture is the ultimate strategic backstop. It exists not for regional combat, but to manage civilization-ending stakes. This is the mission of the Ohio-class ballistic missile submarine. These vessels hide in the deep ocean for months at a time, carrying Trident missiles as the sea-based leg of the nuclear triad. This diagram illustrates the concept of second strike survivability. Even if a nation's land-based defenses were destroyed, these untraceable submarines would survive to retaliate, ensuring that a surprise attack remains a losing strategy for any aggressor. To keep deterrence active, the Navy is developing the Columbia-class to replace the Ohio fleet. One of Columbia's primary advantages is its lifetime reactor core. Engineered to power the submarine without refueling, it allows the vessel to maintain continuous, silent patrol. The invisible guarantee of massive retaliation provided by these patrols remains the primary mechanism preventing global nuclear war. When these three layers are interlocked, they form a unified defense network. The hunters, the covert strikers, and the nuclear deterrents all operate simultaneously to secure different regions of the globe. The evolution of these vessels proves that future defense strategy is shifting away from visible platforms toward a reliance on endurance and stealth. In an era of constant satellite and drone surveillance, the surface of the Earth is becoming increasingly transparent. It is nearly impossible to move a visible army without being tracked. This makes the underwater domain the final refuge for strategic surprise. True global security is no longer achieved through weapons paraded on the world stage, but through those hidden in the dark. The success of this architecture is measured by its invisibility. These forces shape world history every day, precisely because they are never seen.